They know they have the upper hand. Now, beautiful ball on the right. He crosses it in. Could this be the first goal? It is! What a beginning! Just as I had said, they will not be looking to concede early in the game, and that's exactly what Umrit SC have done. Mawlai SC with the first goal of the game. There have been many upsets in this tournament this year. Absolutely unpredictable. Anything can happen. We're only 10 minutes into the game. And that's the second. What a goal. Can't get easier than this. But once again. And that's the third. That came out of nowhere. It's all too easy here for Mawlai SC. A nice chip into the middle. And number 26 with the threat so far. Now Mawlai SC, they have the ball. Can this be number 4? Very easy. Chance there and taken. That's the 4th goal of the game. Beautiful dribbling. Robertson toying with the defenders, placing the ball into the back. They are not going to sit back. They're looking to score more. Now, chance there. Lovely. Has the ball. He's been penalty. Rightly so. He was pulled back by the defender there. Referee showed the yellow card to number 10. Cylinder man with a tug there on his counterpart, number 10, Donald. Donald to take it could be his hat trick if he converts this. And done so well. Slotted it to the top right corner of the goal. He's got his hat trick. 5-0. Mawlai SC comfortably leading. Still with Mawlai SC. Through the player's feet. Crosses the ball. Could this be? And it is the 6th goal of the match. What a wonderful goal that was. And it's Donald there with another goal. His 4th goal of the game. Goal. That's a goal. That's all to be. Couple of long range efforts. Good save here. Second from Donald. Ken Star making it 3-0. And Robertson with the 4th. Umrit SC did have a couple of chances. Donald there again. Jymmang. He looked good for Umrit today, but couldn't make a difference. The 5th of the game. 6 goals in the first half. And this was the 7th. And the only goal in the second half.